Welcome back to an episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
So we're putting an engine in this thing, and I'm looking at these rockers, and they're gone, right? And then I look right here.
Customer states I hit some road debris. Where is it? Where is it? Where's this road debris? Oh, quite the road debris.
Customer states they can feel a shaking when driving.
Hey yo, what the hell?
This clutch pack may have gotten a bit too hot in this Chevy C10.
Zero miles. This car hasn't even traveled a full mile yet. This is considered normal.
Not the best start to this customer's service.
Kachow!
Yet another health hazard rolling into the shop. Another customer who had receipts for oil changes from a different shop. Definitely looks like they weren't actually doing them.
Okay, new starter's there. I put in the starter wire here, and I was connected there. Basically, when I installed it, I took out the entire air filter as well as the cruise control. At the moment, whenever I put in the negative terminal to turn on the battery, this is gonna spark, so I'm gonna look away. I don't have a thing on. That makes the whirring noise.
Move your light a little.
Customer states there's a loud whining under my hood. Thanks for watching. You can submit your own videos using the link below. Also remember to like and subscribe.